In this file handling video series, we have already discussed about the file upload feature. Now today we are going to discuss about file download feature. In this file download, actually the web interaction will be straightforward, like you click somewhere to get a file downloaded. But basically there should be some browser settings to be made so that this download functionality will happen smoothly. As well as the other functionality we have to worry about is how to verify the file is downloaded, because this download can take some time. So we have to wait a particular time and recursively check whether the file is exists. If file is exists, then we know that it's already downloaded. If not, after a while, if the file is not getting downloaded within the acceptable time limit, then we have to fail the test. So we can use some script like this to achieve that one. First I will discuss about the browser options. So basically we need to, when it's downloaded, we need to know like where it gets downloaded. So we can set this download default directory option. Okay, so this example we are discussing with Chrome options, but we can the Firefox and other browsers also have these browser options. So we can set these options and we can invoke the web driver, the Chrome driver or Firefox driver with the options. So in this one I'm setting few options. One is the download default directory, so make it to the user directory of our code. So like my home directory for the code is in this location, so it will be downloaded under here. So I know where it will get downloaded. So that is first thing, download default directory. And also I am making download prompt for download false. So sometimes like it can get prompt to confirm the download, so we are making it false. So once we click the download button, the file will be automatically downloaded. And also you may have seen like after something downloaded, we will get some not the exact file name, we will get the temporary file, and we have to confirm whether the file we have to keep it or we can discard it. So if that is the case, we can't verify the file name, so we can make it the safe browsing enabled to true, so that this will not happen. The file will be downloaded without any issue, like without a temp file shown. So when we make these three options, like under Chrome preference, we put these key value pairs, like this is the key, this is the value, and we make one options as the preferences as Chrome preference. So we are making Chrome preference hash map, like Chrome preference hash map, we put this key and this value, and we are making the options object, and then we pass when we invoking the Chrome. So now these things are there, so it will be downloaded to user directory. It will not prompt for any confirmation, and it will download the file without any temp file shown, and we manually make it to keep. Then we go to the Chrome web page, and we are going to click this element to get the file downloaded. So we get to there, and I have written a method like file download. So there I send the expected file name and the web driver and this download button to find the element. And what will happen is, like ultimately it will click the file, but initially we check whether the file exists. So if the file exists, we delete it and then we download, because otherwise it will directly the process will not happen, and it will find the file is already there without downloading itself. So as I mentioned earlier, like we have to now confirm like the file is there. We have to wait some time and see. After a while, if it's not downloaded, we have to expire it. So for that we have written this method like wait for download. And what we are doing here is we every 1 second we will check whether this file name like Chrome setup.exe is available in this user directory. If the file is not exist, we will make the time elapse as the sleep time. After 1 second, we know the time elapse is 1 second, and we will wait until 60 seconds. This is the timeout. So until the time elapse less than timeout, this will repeat. So after 1 second, if check the file is there. If file is not there, then we add that time elapse as 1 second, and we again wait 1 second. After 2 seconds, we come whether the file is there. So if not, we added like time elapse as 3 seconds, we go back. So if the file is there, we immediately break, we print file is present, and we break from here. But after 1 minute, if the file is not there, then it will be again we come out of the loop, but without file is present is printed. So I will first run this one and see, like now it's not, Chrome setup.exe is not here, and I will run this one. Okay, now the browser is open and goes to okay, the file is downloaded. Okay, and Chrome setup.exe present is printed and file is here. Okay, so it's downloaded and verified, and it print file is present here. So if I do this without making the safe browsing enabled, okay, if I run this, you will see like it will give this temp file. Yeah, here you will get something like this. This type of file can harm your computer. Do you want to keep the Chrome setup.exe anyway? So you have to manually click it, keep or discard. So to avoid that one, so I will now keep as keep. So now it will identify like file is there, and yeah, so file is there, it's already printed. It's not going to close it, maybe some issue. Yeah, so to avoid these kind of things like that manually download part, we can enable this safe browsing enabled. So directories is straightforward, and this file exists and file delete, we make sure that we can run it repeatedly. If the file is already there, we delete and we download. Otherwise, like it will print this one without downloading the file itself. Sometimes without properly downloading it, we will print that. So this is straightforward. Only thing is you have to think about is like we have to set some options basically to making safe browsing enabled. So there will be no temp file, and we make the download default directory, and we have to invoke this WebDriver with the correct options. And after we download the file, we click the download. We have to wait some time, and periodically we have to check whether the file is present. If the file is present, we immediately break and make it the test pass. If the file is not there, we keep on increasing, wait for 1 second or 2 seconds, something periodically, we come and check. And after some time out, after 1 minute, or if this is a large file, after 2 minutes, if the file is not there, then we have to make the test fail. So that is basically, and this code is available for you to download and see. We will come up with some more videos later. Thank you.